Yo, so today we're going to downtown Sacramento. We're going to be installing 5 cameras at the corner of J Street, right by the Rick's Dessert Diner. We didn't install cameras in the diner, but we installed cameras all around the property for the property management. So we're going to go show you around that whole place, man. Let's check it out. We got some conduit running, so right now we're trying to get into the network closet, like their MPO, and we're running some conduit through there. Getting ready to install some outside cameras. We're running some 1/2 inch and 3/4 EMT all through the building. Tony getting that junction box ready. This is the hole that we got coming into the second hallway. Got Tony mounting this L bracket. So we got one in the hallway, one in the outside of the hallway, one right outside the door, one on the parking lot. So there's a ton of other conduit already throughout the building, so we're just working our way around it. Look at that, looking clean. So that rolls down the hallway, right into the MPO. Now we have to fish some wires from the telco room on the first floor into the basement to get down to the parking garage. It's just me just taping this up, make sure we don't lose this wire on the way down. Tony makes sure that that EMT is level. We measured out all the wires so we could pull it out at once. Here we are in the basement. Tony getting that underground camera up. Got Keith getting those last wires over to our switch. Look at that, looking clean. Tony fishing it out. We also pre-wired for some future cameras there. So later on, if they want to add another license plate reader or something going on out there, we don't want to take all that conduit apart, so we just threw some extra wires in there for free for the customer. Future-proof it. Day 1 done, day 2. Back downtown trying to get these cameras up. Mounting the outdoor bullet camera. Tony's aiming it on his phone at the same time, watching it in real time. Got this flex going up. Gonna go into our other junction box, get this last indoor camera up. These are little extensions we had to get from flex to EMT.
So I smell like nothing but pastries. It smells so good. It's like getting pumped out right here. It's like cinnamon and icing and a whole bunch of sugar. Usually like the exhaust is like, smells like trash or something. It just smells good.
So we're running that conduit out there for the fisheye on the parking lot. We didn't have his fisheye at the time, it was on back order.
I need an anchor here to get this one on. And then I need to put another adapter through. Then we need to measure from there to the wall to cut the stick.
So we ended up using a temporary fisheye that I had, an older model, for him just to have a view until his came in, and then we swapped it out on a later date. Here we are getting that last stick up.
I'm gonna have to take it down with Tony. Yeah, because I gotta pull the wire back out because it's too long. Because this adapter is so long. This adapter needs to be over here, so it needs to be like 4 inches. No, I just gotta take this piece off, slide it out the zip ties, slice it, put it back in. It needs to be this much shorter.
We held that conduit up with zip ties at first, just so we can get those concrete anchors up. Then we cut all the zip ties off. We use it just to like hang that stick up there. Tony getting that last camera up. There's that fisheye. That's the new one right there. That thing has such a crazy view. Yo, so that's it. All the cameras installed, 2 days, we're done. We're in there, we're out of there. Everything looks super clean, man. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.